There comes a moment in every person's life when something inside them breaks, not because they are weak, but because they have been strong for too long. It's in that moment, when your heart is heavy, when your faith trembles, when you have nothing left, that your transformation begins. Pain is not your enemy, it's your initiation. Every scar, every failure, every betrayal, they are not there to destroy you. They are there to shape you into someone who cannot be broken. You see, comfort doesn't create greatness. Ease doesn't forge strength. Pressure does. Suffering does. Loss does. The fire you walk through is the very thing that purifies you. Most people run from the pain. They escape into distractions, into excuses, into comfort. But the ones who rise, the ones who ascend, they turn toward it. They face it head on because they understand that what hurts you is also what builds you. You have to stop asking for an easier life. Instead, ask for the strength to endure a hard one, because life will not stop testing you. It will keep pushing until you prove that nothing can shake your foundation. The world doesn't reward the ones who complain. It rewards those who keep moving forward, quietly, relentlessly, even when no one is watching. You have two choices when life hits you. You either break apart or you break open. One leaves you shattered, the other leaves you evolved. One ends your story, the other begins it. Becoming unbreakable starts when you stop seeking validation, when you stop begging the world to understand your pain, when you start using it as fuel, as fire, as energy. Discipline is not about punishment. It's about liberation. It frees you from your weaker self, the one that quits when things get hard, the one that hides behind excuses. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you reclaim your power. You cannot control the storms of life, but you can control how you stand in them. You can train your mind to stay calm while everything around you burns. That is power, not the kind that shouts, but the kind that endures. You are not behind. You are not lost. You are being tempered, refined, forged into someone who can carry more than they ever thought possible. You're not meant to be soft. You're meant to be solid, grounded, unshakable. So stop running from your pain. Sit with it. Learn from it. Let it carve strength into your character. Because one day, when everything you thought would destroy you has passed, you'll realize it was never breaking you. It was building you. You'll look back at the pain and whisper, that was the moment I became unbreakable. Excellence is not a gift. It's not luck. It's not a single moment of greatness. It's a decision, repeated every single day, especially when no one is watching. You become unbreakable, not by what you achieve once, but by what you refuse to give up on, over and over again. The quiet mornings, the late nights, the small, relentless acts of discipline that no one else sees. That's where greatness is born. Most people wait for motivation, but motivation is unreliable. It fades, it dies. Discipline is what carries you when motivation disappears. Every time you act without feeling like it, you strengthen the muscle that separates you from the average. You will never rise above the standards you set for yourself. If you tolerate weakness, distraction, excuses, you'll live a life that reflects them. But if you demand excellence, if you set a standard that is non-negotiable, you'll rise. Even when the world tries to pull you down, stop negotiating with yourself. Stop debating whether you feel ready. You don't need to feel ready. You need to move. Because every second you hesitate, you train your mind to doubt itself. Action builds confidence. Confidence builds power, and power builds freedom. When you wake up in the morning, you have two choices: be consumed by comfort or be driven by purpose. You can hit snooze and stay the same, or get up and rewrite your story. Winning the morning is how you win the day. How you wake up is how you live. Start your day with clarity, strength, and intent. Those first moments are sacred. They shape everything that follows. Protect your focus like your life depends on it, because it does. Where your attention goes, your future grows. If you feed your distractions, they'll devour your dreams. If you feed your purpose, it will transform your reality. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you strengthen your mind. Every time you say no to comfort, you train your spirit to endure. Consistency is your superpower, not intensity, not speed, consistency. Anyone can go hard once. Few can keep going every single day. You want to be unbreakable. Keep showing up, even when it's boring, even when it's hard, even when it feels like nothing's changing, because everything is changing inside you. The real battle isn't out there. It's in your head. It's the voice that tells you to quit. It's the fear that whispers, you're not enough. You must silence it with action. You must prove it wrong every single day. Your pain is your teacher. Your failure is your feedback. Your discipline is your freedom. You don't build an unbreakable mind by avoiding struggle. You build it by walking through it again and again until the struggle no longer scares you. You are not fragile. You are forged. You are not lost. You are becoming. And one day you will realize it was never about being perfect. It was about being persistent. It was about becoming the kind of person who doesn't flinch in the face of chaos, who doesn't fold under pressure, who doesn't let emotions dictate destiny. You are the storm now. You are the fire. You are the calm within the chaos. This is who you were meant to be. Unbreakable, unstoppable, undeniable.